Atma Nirbhar Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan, Manipur State Convener Preshow Shimray underscored the importance of highlighting and educating about the local products in promoting them. He was speaking at the launching function of Atma Nirbhar Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan on the theme Har Ghar Swadeshi, Ghar Ghar Swadeshi at Thambal Sanglin, located at Nityai Park, Chithek, Imphal. Speaking further, Preshow Shimray informed that Atma Nirbhar Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan will be held till December 25 in connection with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, adding that the party will conduct series of awareness-raising programs about the governmental schemes during the campaign. He also said that local products which are not widely known to the general population will be introduced in the markets with the aim to boost local economy.
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji ki vision India da phangriba akhoi gi pothok akhoi da leiriba lon akhoi gi chatnabi akhoi gi culture vocal for local mayam se khangan batabani kachin goya da ima mayam na sariba hanek mai phion aduga ma ki handloom mayam se mayam da masi khangan le airaga popularize we han batabani make in India si popularize we gi dobani self sufficient we gi dobani aduga lomi sing da moina toriba mayam se khoi ukhatna bahot na ga dobani habsi ma ki vision ni masi khoi makhal mathen gi campaign we na khoi chathagani Government of Manipur issue, Government of India issue, masi involved to phamthoe to gudobani masi chalaga department singi mathau pangthok phamthok pa mayam sisu involved toraga coordinate toraga aikoi masi popularize we hangani